What's up, guys? We are at the DSM Shootout 2018. We got our setup going out here at a 10-person tent. Got the F-150 and of course the Evo. See the tools over here? That's because we are doing a trackside install. Because why not, right? Today we're doing a catch can setup on the Evo. Kyle, tell us a little bit about your catch can.
It's a Radium Engineering single can that hooks up from the valve cover to the intake port on the intake manifold. It mounts right up. You just got to bend a power steering line a little bit and an AC line a little bit. And it sits right behind your passenger side headlight. It's actually a fairly easy install. The hardest part was actually putting all this together. But once you have it all together, it just sits right in here. Bolts here and here. Smaller hose goes up here. You really can't mix them up because they are different sizes. And then they say that you are supposed to cut the stock engine cover so the hose fits through. I already did that as well. You don't really have to. I don't plan on running that engine cover for a whole lot longer anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
What are you going to do for that? You're going to replace the valve cover?
Yes, I'm going to go with aluminum valve cover and paint it gold like the wheels.
Cool.
They give you hardware. All this hardware comes off. You got to like basically build it all before you put it on. Otherwise, it's going to be real difficult to actually get the can to mount to the bracket. But they give you an extra washer and stuff so you can completely discard the bolt for the headlight. And it looks a lot nicer because it matches the rest of it. Basically, I already set up the hoses. It's pretty much that easy. If you need an actual install, you find it on their website, but I don't think most people would require that. Should I tell them about the original hose?
Sure.
The original hose they sent me for the intake manifold side used to collapse while the car was running, and I didn't really think that was right because the stock one obviously does not collapse. I emailed them. They told me that that was normal, but they would send me a replacement if I wanted them to, and they sent me a way beefier hose, so it does not actually collapse anymore.
Yeah, while he screws that in, we're going to take a look at this Evo 10. Got the gold ETS intercooler. The gold. What kind of wheels are these, Kyle?
They are gold.
What are they? Avis?
Yes.
Okay.
Avis NS20s.
Avis NS20 gold wheels. What size are they? 18s?
18 by 8.
18 by 8.5. And the offset is 44. I'll do that right now. Got Audi A5 taillights. They're pretty cool. Before I leave Ohio this weekend, we'll get a shot of those taillights in action because they are really cool. He wanted me to show you how close his wheel is to this caliper. So you can see that right there. Talk about fitment. Ooh-wee. Look at that. That's super close. So we're probably going to end up putting some wheel spacers on there.
I actually think they're Abbott AB20s, maybe.
Alright, so there's catch can all installed. And we're going to go ahead and start it up real quick. And actually, since we're starting it up, we'll catch them taillights while we got it going. There we go. With that beefier hose, it doesn't collapse anymore, which is good. Go check out them taillights real quick. Kyle, do your taillights. Stick out from the rear end, which is cool. The stocks are flush, so that's pretty freaking cool too. Alright, well, I'm gonna try and get this one uploaded right now from the DSM Shootout 2018.